A passphrase can be used to add an additional layer of security to protect your seed phrases. As is often the case, every feature comes with their both benefits and drawbacks. In this video, we will explore how passphrases enhance the security of your seed phrase, thereby safeguarding your crypto assets, and discuss why you should consider keeping them as well as all the associated risks. So let's get started. So how does a passphrase improve the security of your seed phrase? A passphrase is a user-chosen phrase or a word that adds extra layer of security to your seed phrase. It is case sensitive and spaces are also sensitive. Only you know your passphrase and it is neither generated nor stored by your hardware wallet. Think of it as an extra puzzle piece required to complete the full picture. This 25th word works in conjunction with your 24-word seed phrase to derive your wallet's private keys, public keys, and wallet addresses. By default, wallets use a blank passphrase. In simple terms, passphrases in crypto wallets are similar to pins for your bank accounts or password for your mobile apps. They grant access to your valuable assets. However, it is important to note that technically, a passphrase is not a password of your wallet. It is an additional component of the seed phrase used to derive the private keys and more. Now, how does this passphrase enhance the security of your seed phrase? Most of the hardware wallets store your seed phrase within the device. Unfortunately, these wallets can be inherently vulnerable to physical attacks like electromagnetic fault injection, laser fault injection, and side channel analysis, making it possible for skilled attackers to extract all your seed phrase. But when you use a passphrase alongside your seed phrase, it serves as a critical layer of security. Even if an attacker gains access to your seed phrase through hacking or accidental exposure, they won't be able to access your cryptocurrency funds because they lack the 25th word, which is the final piece needed to unlock your wallet. Therefore, by safeguarding your passphrase, you possess a powerful means of protecting your cryptocurrency assets. If you ever lose your wallet or accidentally expose your seed phrase, you can promptly use your passphrase and seed phrase backup to transfer your funds to another wallet. Even if an attacker attempts to brute force your passphrase, which is unlikely if it is long and unique, you can still move your funds quickly. Conversely, without a passphrase, your recovery words or your seed phrase is rendered useless. But as the saying goes, there is no good without bad. Passphrases have their perks, but they also bring a lot of risks. Each passphrase creates a unique and new wallet, necessitating a precise understanding of which passphrase corresponds to which wallet and grants access to your funds. Setting up a passphrase demands extra care, as any typos during the entry on the wallet or when writing it on paper can lead to a permanent loss of your cryptocurrency holdings. It is important to note that once your passphrase is established, it cannot be changed or recovered. Passphrases require the additional responsibility of secure backup, much like how you safeguard your seed phrase. It is crucial to never store the passphrase and the seed phrase in the same location if you want to really protect your cryptocurrency holdings. Regardless of how meticulous you are with your cryptocurrency security, losing your passphrase represents a single point of failure. Losing access to your passphrase renders your seed phrase useless, introducing complexity and additional risk to the equation. In essence, if someone gains access to both your seed phrase and passphrase, your funds still become vulnerable. Forgetting or losing your passphrase makes the funds associated with the corresponding wallet inaccessible, and lost passphrases can never be recovered. While hardware wallets provide strong protection, adding a passphrase can significantly enhance the security of your seed phrase and offer various benefits. However, it is crucial to understand that this addition introduces the complexity to the process of safeguarding your access to your cryptocurrency funds. In contrast to other wallets, Cypherock X1 completely decentralizes your seed phrases into 5 different parts. This approach ensures that your seed is never entirely stored on this device. Even if it is stolen by an attacker, they will never be able to extract the seed phrase. Moreover, Cypherock X1 allows you to set a passphrase for your seed phrases. Since we recommend using passphrases for advanced crypto users, you would need to enable the passphrase option from the settings. The passphrase can only be set up while creating a new wallet or importing an existing wallet from your seed phrase. Cypherock X1 supports 64 characters, including upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and even spaces. So there you have it, the power of passphrases in protecting your cryptocurrency assets. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance of security and convenience. Make sure you're well prepared and stay vigilant. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Cypherock's YouTube channel, and make sure to check out this playlist where we talk about wallet security. Until next time, signing off. off.